Hello everyone, Energetica India is at Intersolar Gujarat 2026. We are joined by Mr. Mukesh Kumar, Sales Head, Green Brilliance. Hello sir, how are you feeling today?
I am good. How are you?
All well. Sir, tell us about GB Solar in brief.
Sure. GB Solar is a part of Epoxy House Group. So we have already our one firm running under the banner of Green Brilliance. So in that we are manufacturing solar panels, and now we have expanded our new unit up to 2.5 gigawatt, which will commence by first phase will commence by this March, and next phase will commence by the coming June.
And what have you launched at Intersolar this year?
This year we have made a significant development in the solar inverters. We are showcasing our made in India inverter. This is whole and solely designed and developed in India. So first phase we are going with up to 4 kilowatt single phase. Second phase will be up to 6 kilowatt single phase, and the final stage will be up to 10 kilowatt three phase. So we have made our plan that we will be focusing more on the residential segment where the need is more, and we are focusing truly for Make in India concept.
So as I can see, this is Desh Ka inverter, and you said it's made in India. So made in India, the government of India is working a lot towards Make in India being local. But unfortunately, I think we are dependent on China for raw material. So in this scenario, how did you manage to come up with a product like this?
Sure, what you said is truly right. So we are now also dependent on many things in inverter also. For various components we are dependent on China only, because in India we do not have such R&D development into that sectors, and considering the cost factors also, and in India the cost is a very big thing. If it goes up, then customers face issues. So at present we are dependent on China, but with the future things and future expansion we are trying to cut down things. So we are trying to purchase more and more which is locally available rather than opting for imports.
And please tell us about any new latest technologies that are coming in the Indian solar market, and any new technology that you might have observed at Intersolar this year which you think will be beneficial for the Indian solar industry in the future.
For solar inverters, the next expansion would be going to micro inverters and hybrid inverters. That will be a big boom, and considering the phase of development, it is very much needed. And for solar panels, already TOPCon is very much going very good, and HJT is also in play. So in coming days or weeks we can go up to 700 plus watt peak modules.
And what is the next in pipeline for GB Solar? Are there any new products that you plan to launch, or any new segment you plan to venture into?
So as a part of our group, we have already been into planning stage for solar cells, which we will start the commencing after this year June, after June 26. And once that is commenced, so we will going for 2 gigawatt wafers and ingots. So our plan as a part of Epoxy group is to create a network in which we can consume our own materials and provide the customers with the very best quality at the lower price. And just to let our customers also know, we are also into transformers. We are manufacturing IDT transformers and solar transformers and power transformers as well, so under the banners of ECS.
Thank you so much. We wish that whatever you plan, it gets successful, and GB Solar keeps on shining. Thank you so much for your time. It was nice speaking to you.
Thank you.